So Creator has built yet another new feature. बहुत ज़्यादा हमको डिमांड आ रहा था कि यार वी जस्ट वांट टू वर्क ऑन अ सिंगल फ्लो, वी जस्ट वांट टू ऑपरेट ऑन अ सिंगल फ्लो. मतलब अर्लियर हमारे डेमोज में क्या होता था दैट यू हैड टू लुक एट a lot of screens like this. So बहुत सारी screens आती थी, right? And user एक बारी में एक ही flow पे काम करना चाहता था. So we built a flow called generate a single screen slash flow. So what you can do here is that either you can enter that, create a login screen with a logo to input box if you just want to create a screen, or if you just want to create a flow. So let's say create a movie movie booking flow where I can book tickets for cheap. cheap. Yeah. Okay. सो एज ऑफ कोर्स यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी डिटेल किया. तो यहाँ पे अभी हम लोगों ने दिस वाज समथिंग दैट आई डिस्कस विद द टीम एज वेल, कि यहाँ पे भी वेंट डाउन और डीप में हमने उनकी सर्च को थोड़ा सा और डिटेल किया कि एग्जैक्टली क्या चाहिए क्या नहीं चाहिए यूजर्स को. एंड यूजर कैन एडिट इट है. सो इट्स नॉट द सेम एज इट इन वाई फ्रेम जनरेशन, इट्स अ बिट डिफरेंट. You just click on create and you'll have the wireframes. So here is some basic objective, business objective review कर सकते हैं. So here we have given कि okay, what's exactly the business objective? Why is this important? What is the persona? So just wanted to double down on this as well. Just wanted to expand the user search. कि let's say if a user want to just create a movie booking app, but let's say if they want to create it for a for 40-year-old person, or let's say they want to have a business objective differently, so that impacts the flow, that impacts the designs. So that we understood very well, and that this is why we have included here. You then click on create and then you'll have the wireframes in front of you. Right now the wireframes have been built. They are just rendering onto your system. It takes 2 to 3 minutes, but the quality that we have achieved here is way better than we have ever seen. So how did that happen? Is we have introduced mini models on every step. So let me show that how did we do it. So earlier, I think the architecture that we showed you. So earlier we were just flowing data, but and we had a singular model which used to provide us everything. So it was trained on user flows, it was trained on IA. But then I talked to multiple engineers and I understood that we have to go for the mini model thing. So I think I have told already Anand and Pratik about this. Is that mini model just to extract the features. So on the very first step, when you extract features, there's a mini model working there. That is a fine-tuned mini model that we have worked upon, and it's improving in every search. There is a mini model. Okay, which component to pick, and another architecture. Okay, that okay, if this component is getting picked, what are the different levels of parameters that we are selecting it upon? So right now the system is also very refined. So in the last week of sprint, what we eventually did was we took everything from scratch and we were like, okay, this is the output, we need to get at least better by 50%, and this is the way. So right now the data sets that we have trained are around on 200 data sets, but we are of course continuously increasing at and working on it. And we have also internalized the internal benchmarking eval. So with every framework that it's coming, is that every output should have at least this much output, and then only it's considered to be a good output. So yeah, the wireframe are right now rendering, and let's see. The wireframes are here. So we have 4 iterations here as well. So this is the first iteration that you can look. Uh, this is the okay. This is the second iteration. So right now the iterations are different as well. So that's a good thing. Is that iterations are live. So that the time it took to render was because the iterations were building. So let's go back to the dashboard and have a look at it. Okay, so this is how it looks. You can come here, you can find movies, you can select okay which movie do I want to watch, move forward. This is okay. Right now we have the seat selection flow as well. So we have gone into a depth like okay, earlier we did not have like these things. Okay, today, tomorrow, Friday, and how see how good it's looking. Uh, we go to next. Like okay, this is your total cost. This is the second iteration. Okay, this is another try that you can go. This is the third iteration. This is the fourth iteration. So I'll share the link on the group as well. Please do have a look on how this came. The edit with AI feature has also improved a lot. So yeah, we have done a lot of work last week. Please let me know how was it. Please have a look at this. And yeah, thank you so much.